Hey mate,
Yeah?
what are we doing?
Get out the car and go on the ferry to Gunwharf.
So we'll see you all.
At the ferry, bye. We made it, we're on the ferry. Next stop, Gunwharf.
There might be a bit of a delay.
Bye.
There's a warship going by. What do you think of that, man?
It's amazing. It looks like it's a shark.
That is exactly what warships look like. That's a Type 45 destroyer. There are people on it. Off the ferry now and the long walk up the hill.
Yep.
What were you just telling me? Down there?
Yeah.
A what?
A sea witch.
But you don't live down there.
Hey, I'm not a sea witch.
What have you found?
Oh.
It's a living wall. Right outside Portsmouth train station. What's that up there? Spinnaker Tower. Awesome. Let's go. Hey Moon,
Yeah?
where have we stopped off first?
Franken Betty's.
For a spot of dinner. Yay. So what have you ordered?
I've ordered pizza.
And what have you got coming on your pizza?
Ham and bacon.
Bacon. I didn't think bacon was on the menu.
I asked them.
You asked for it?
Do it.
You asked if they could do it. And what did they say?
Yeah, they could do it.
Awesome. Well, let's look at what it looks like when it finally gets here.
Yeah.
Right, move. Pull a silly face. I want to get a selfie. No, another one. No, do different one. Guess what? Back on video. No funny.
No.
So grumpy. Oh, looks like food's on the way. Thank you. Hey Moo, how's the food? Rating out of 10. 10 out of 10? That's awesome. I'm definitely giving my pizza, I guess, an 8 out of 10. Loaded fries. They only get a 9. They would get a 10 if they were more loaded. Yum. I think it's all too much for that guy up there. Having a snooze on the balcony. Obviously been working very, very hard. The guy up there is asleep. Go on, hippo, eat those red berries. this one all about, me? Catch the balls. If you put them in, then you have to put them in that hole. Off you go then. Good luck. Three, two, one, go! Go, go, go! See if we can get to 50! Oh, game over! 65! Well done! 65, don't forget your tickets! Well done! Yeah, well done! How was that? How was that? Yeah? Hey me, what's it feel like to have your first bit of Vans clothing? Very excited? I think you're going to look super cool. Right, Moo, it's time to wrap up our day. Where do you want to finish it? Lint? But there is a Cadbury shop just over there. Just in the corner. Cadbury's. So, there or Lint? Let's go in.
I got the bag!
I reckon you can have like 10 sweets. So, show me your goodies. Yeah. Is that the end for a good day?
Yep.
What do we say to everybody?
Don't forget to like, subscribe.